Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you look at my previous video and पिछला आप मेरा वीडियो देखेंगे, इसके पिछला वाला मैंने क्लियरली मार्क करके रखा था इस चैनल को। और उसके साथ ये भी मेंशन किया था कि we may see a false breakout. Let me go to 1 hour and redraw this. This is what I had mentioned in the previous video. अब कल का वीडियो देख लेते हैं. Let me apply magnet here so that I get the right bottom. So you can clearly see what I had mentioned. मैंने मेंशन भी किया था कि भी मैं see a false breakout on this lower trend line. Here I had clearly mentioned, and we were expecting to reach the upper trend line. So you can look at these contact points where Nifty took support and resistance. So this is how trend lines can be used. So this whole thing, I think correction, a complex correction. So we don't know when we will be able to comfortably break out, and if we break out and stay out, we may again see an uptrend on the Nifty, or we may just continue to move before taking any decisive action in this channel further. So we don't know, I mean, it's wait and watch. So I think this is a correction starting from here. So we had A, B and C, and a complex again ABC, ABCX, and this again one ABC. So looks like this is an irregular correction where we had an ABC. Here. And this is totally C, I think, where we can clearly see 5 moves down, and we are still 2, 3, and maybe this is 1.4, and we may another see we might find another dip somewhere here or right below this. Might be a possibility. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait. So this I had clearly mentioned in my previous video that we may see false breakout. If you look at the previous video, we may find a false breakout, and I had asked to observe this lower trend line. Hope it would have helped smart traders. Thank you. Keep watching, keep sharing, so that I bring in more good stuff. So if you want me to count the wave, I'll do it sometime later. Thank you.